content to a whole new level. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything the DJI Osmo Nano brings to the table, from its design and real-world stabilization to its AI features and app integration. It's not just a tool for pros. It's built for anyone who wants more polished, professional results straight from their phone. We'll test how it performs in real scenarios, see whether it lives up to its hype, and help you decide if it's the right fit for your content creation workflow. Whether you're capturing travel memories, filming tutorials, or sharing moments on social media, the Osmo Nano promises smoothness and simplicity. Stick around, and if you find value in videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You're watching Factic, where smart tech choices get easier. At first glance, the DJI Osmo Nano doesn't even look like a gimbal. It's sleek, compact, and incredibly lightweight, just under 180 grams. That's less than most smartphones. The design is modern and minimal, available in a range of pastel colors that stand out without being flashy. Its build quality feels premium, thanks to the matte finish and solid construction, while the ergonomic grip ensures it's comfortable to hold for long shooting sessions. One of the standout design features is the foldable gimbal arm. It folds down quickly for storage and is ready to use in seconds. The magnetic phone clamp is also a major win. Just snap your phone in, and it auto-balances without requiring manual adjustments. This is a huge advantage for spontaneous creators or those filming on the go. Despite its small size, the Osmo Nano delivers impressively stable footage. It features a 3-axis motorized gimbal system that compensates for shaky hands, walking movement, or even bumps in the road. Whether you're filming a vlog while walking through a city or panning across a landscape, the stabilization is consistently smooth and fluid. DJI's intelligent shooting modes further enhance the experience. The Osmo Nano supports features like follow, tilt lock, and FPV, letting you control how the camera responds to movement. The dynamic zoom feature creates that dramatic Hitchcock-style zoom effect without degrading the video quality, and the built-in time-lapse, hyperlapse, and panorama modes are incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The AI features are where things get really exciting. Gesture control lets you start and stop recording with a simple wave. No need to press buttons. Face tracking locks onto your face as you move, keeping you perfectly centered, while story mode offers pre-built templates that add transitions, effects, and music in a single tap. For solo content creators, this means you can shoot, edit, and share pro-level content, all from your phone and this tiny device. The Osmo Nano doesn't come with its own camera. It leverages your smartphone's lens, but it improves video quality significantly. When paired with a high-end phone, it can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second and capture stable, vibrant footage that looks like it came from a more expensive setup. DJI's image processing algorithm adjusts exposure, sharpness, and color on the fly, so your footage looks crisp and polished, even in changing lighting conditions. Connectivity and setup are simple. The DJI Mio app, available on iOS and Android, unlocks the full potential of the Osmo Nano. It connects via Bluetooth, and the app interface is clean, responsive, and packed with features. You can access shooting modes, use AI editing tools, and even live stream with built-in stabilization. It's ideal for creators who want fast editing without needing a computer. Battery life is solid for such a small device, around 2 to 2.5 hours of continuous shooting depending on your usage. USB-C fast charging means you'll be ready to shoot again quickly. And in a smart move by DJI, the Osmo Nano can reverse charge your smartphone in emergencies. A small detail, but a lifesaver when you're out filming. What really makes this gimbal special is how it removes barriers. There's no steep learning curve, no extra gear required, and no bulky equipment to carry. Just unfold, attach your phone, and start filming, all while getting footage that's smooth, cinematic, and ready to post. While power users might miss some advanced pro settings, the Osmo Nano isn't trying to replace your DSLR gimbal. It's designed for the fast-moving, smartphone-first creator, and in that space, it nails the essentials. To sum it up, the DJI Osmo Nano is more than just a gimbal. It's a mobile content creator's dream tool. Lightweight, pocketable, and packed with intelligent features. It allows you to shoot stabilized, cinematic footage right from your smartphone. Whether you're on vacation, filming for YouTube, or creating TikToks and Instagram Reels, the Nano elevates your content without weighing you down. Its intuitive design, smart shooting modes, and seamless app integration make it perfect for both beginners and seasoned creators. It doesn't overwhelm you with options. Instead, it gives you exactly what you need to create high-quality video content effortlessly. Add in solid battery life, quick setup, and gesture controls, and it becomes a reliable go-to for daily vlogging and spontaneous shooting. If you're tired of shaky footage or overcomplicated rigs, the Osmo Nano could be your answer. It proves that great stabilization and creativity don't have to come with a learning curve or a heavy bag. Thanks for watching Factic. If this review helped you out, give it a thumbs up, leave your questions or thoughts in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense tech reviews. See you in the next one.